Hi there, this is a video tutorial to show you how to connect your company email to your Hotmail so that you can send and receive emails using your company email from your Hotmail. The first thing you want to do is log into the Hotmail account that you want to connect to your company email. Go to your inbox at the top right of the screen. So where it's the gear icon, it says settings. You want to select this and then view all Outlook settings. So on the left side here, you want to go down to sync email. And then from here, you want to manage or choose a primary alias. Here, you want to add email. And then we want to select this option here because it's not an Outlook address that we're trying to add. We're trying to add another email, a custom email. Select the second option and then select the email address that you want to add to your Hotmail. So make sure everything is correct. Then you want to select add alias. Next thing you want to do is verify. So you need to verify that you own this email address. So we'll send like a verification link pretty much to this email. Next thing you want to do is you want to check the inbox for the email address that you're trying to add to your Hotmail. In order to do that, you want to you want to type in your website URL and webmail, and that's actually how you access the inbox to your company email. Yeah, it should bring you to this screen here. So for email address, you want to type in the email address that you're trying to access and then type in the password. So to access your inbox, you want to go to the round cube thing at the top here and then click it. And then you should get an email here with the confirmation link. So if you added this email address as an alias, use the link to verify. Click the link. And it's all set up. Basically now you can send mail using your Hotmail and it'll show that you're sending it from your company email. So that's what we want. That's good. I'll show you one more thing. Basically, when you're sending a message, let's create a message here where it says from. This is actually how you choose which email you want to send it from. We have our test Hotmail account that we connected the company email to, but let's say we want to send it from the company email. You just have to select the option, whichever email address you want to send it from the from field. To make this company email the default, because it may be annoying if you have to always do this. What you want to do is go to the settings as well, back to the settings where we were at the beginning, from the gear icon at the top, and click on sync email, and then where it says set default from address, we want to select the company email. So save. You don't have to, switch it every time. It'll just always send it from your company email if that's what you want. So now we can send emails with our company email, but we still can't receive emails. So there's actually one more step that we have to do in order to do this. You want to head back to your webmail here actually. So go to webmail home on the left side here, and you want to go down to where it says forwarders. So it says automatically send a copy of any incoming email from this email address to another. And what we want to do is we want to add a forwarder. So at the top, select this. And so this will send, every time an email is being sent to your company email, it will actually send a copy of that email to whatever email address you want. So put in the Hotmail that we want to connect it to. This is the Hotmail account that we want to put in whatever Hotmail account is for you. Add forwarder. Now all emails sent to this company email will now be copied and sent over to your Hotmail. that's basically it. Everything is all set up. If you want to test it, you can go ahead and do that. Let's just test it from, let's send an email from our Hotmail and send it to our company email. Now we should receive it within our, our inbox here from our Hotmail, and we should also receive it in our webmail. It might take a minute or so, but if everything worked out, we should see the email. So here it is. That's how we know everything is working. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.